right, breaking updates now coming in. The former TMC leader Ripun Bora has now decided to join the Congress party. The ex-president of the Assam wing of the TMC has now officially joined the Congress party. Remember, as he resigned from the TMC, he said that it is viewed as a regional party in Assam, does not have much of a ground presence, and now he has decided to join the Congress party. He has returned to the Congress party now. This is after a short stint that he had with the TMC. So the former TMC Assam president Ripun Bora, who resigned from the party, has now joined the Congress.
कांग्रेस मेरा पुराना घर है। आज मेरा घर वापसी है। 2 साल मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी छोड़ के तृणमूल कांग्रेस में था, लेकिन जो अभी जो सारा देश का और असम का जो माहौल है, जो नीड ऑफ द आवर है, जो समय का आह्वान है, ये सब लोग एक होना है। सब लोग एकजुट होके ये जो भ्रष्टाचारी बीजेपी, ये जो फैसीवादी बीजेपी, ये जो जन विरोधी बीजेपी, इसको असम से उखाड़ना है, इसको असम से उत्खात करना है, उखाड़ना है। तो इसीलिए असम को बचाने के लिए अभी हम लोग सब तृणमूल भी छोड़ के कांग्रेस के हाथ मजबूत करने के लिए हम कांग्रेस दल में शामिल हुआ है। आज मेरा साथ असम स्टेट कमेटी का 36 ऑफिस बेयरर हमारा साथ ज्वाइन किया है। कांग्रेस मेरा पूरा।
So you just heard him. He has now returned to the Congress party. My colleague Anamika is joining us on the broadcast. Anamika, after a short stint with the TMC, Bora has decided to rejoin the Congress party. Take us through the details of his career trajectory and what this means for the Congress party. Does he bring in more Congress leaders or more leaders from the TMC into the Congress?
Yes, Ripun Bora is always a strong Congress leader. He was, and before 2 years, he had joined TMC, and where he had mentioned that he was not into the Congress party, and he have mentioned that Congress now today itself he have joined Congress, and he have said like he have returned to his old house, and this is a good for Congress party, and Congress party is very happy for his joining. And he have mentioned that last Sunday he have resigned from TMC, while he have mentioned along with him almost 36 people from TMC have resigned, and he have joined Congress today, and along with him 36 new people from TMC, old people from TMC also have joined in Congress. And he have mentioned that BJP is corrupted, and this joining will give a good place for Congress, and he will be doing good work by staying in Congress. And this is a very good news for Congress. All the other political leaders are very happy because Ripun Bora also have mentioned this is the old house. He have returned in his old house, and even other Congress leaders are also very happy.
Okay, all right. Anamika, thank you for joining us with those details.